like an ostrich right now because I don't have a lip combo. Pardon my manners. Hi, my name is Kado Vaughn. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. But in this video, I just want to try out different lip combos. I'm going to limit myself to 3 liners. These 3. This dark brown one is actually an eyeliner, eyebrow liner, but I love to use it for my lips because it's a deep, dark brown, rich shade that I love for my everyday lip combo. Because the way my lips are, I just look naked without lip combo. I look like an ostrich if I don't line my lips. So I need to line my lips with something dark that actually shows my lip line. First things first, take off. Actually, I'm not going to take off my lip balm. You know, sometimes when you put lip balm on your lip and you want to put your liner, it doesn't come out. It doesn't show sometimes. But with this one, it shows. Can you see this? Ignore that. But can you see this? And I have lip balm on. Can you see this? Can you see how dark and rich it is? Oh my god, please. Yes. You see that? Did you see that? And look how I look less like an ostrich. Like, I need my lips lined. Yeah. Honestly, if you like this, you can stop here. You can just have lip balm and your liner and you're good to go. This in itself is a lip combo, so pose. Yeah. If you want to stop here, you can, but I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I can't remember where I got this lipstick from, but it is a soft dusty rose, like a muted mauve pink with a slightly cool undertone. So if you have something like that, you can make use of that for this lip combo. Looks so good. I'm so sorry for the noise. Like, you guys are on my heater. That's why I placed you, since my tripod wants to act crazy. Whatever. I'm just going to go in with lip oil for that extra shine. And that's it. The first lip combo done. This is 100% my go-to lip combo. It's so easy. 3 products. I'm back to looking like an ostrich. For the next look, I want to try a more bronze lip combo, and I'm actually going to make use of one of these here. Let's just see how it goes. So I'm going to start with the darker brown. You can see my mustache. Look at my mustache, you guys. I'm going to start with the darker brown, line my lips. Now that the darker one is on, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade of brown. This brown is a lighter shade of brown, and it's more muted than the other brown. I'm going to line that underneath the dark brown. This brown is so dark that it almost looks black, and I love that because I don't really want black, but I want it dark. And see, look how I'm going this way. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm going to blend everything together, like bring it to the center. I always say you can stop here if you want to stop here, and you put your clear gloss, put your pink gloss, put any gloss or lip oil on top, and you're good to go. But I want to try a bronze lip, and I don't know if I can pull that off, but I'm gonna go with the Essence Gold Dust in the center. It's kind of it's starting to look bronzy. Let's see. That looks good. Oh my god, that looks so good. For the lip gloss, I'm not going to touch my upper lip. You know, I'm making sure it doesn't get to the top. And just here. It looks dark, and I want it to look bronze, not dark. So we're gonna manipulate the situation a little bit to work in our favor. Right now, this is cute. If you like this, darling, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. If you like this, you can stop here, but I want more of a bronze look, and this is too dark for me. And I'm thinking maybe I should have done this before, like I should use this lighter shade. I should have done this before applying gloss, because now it's going to be, now it's going to be messy. You know what? Let's stop here. We're just going to take this as another lip combo, and we're going to actually try to get the bronze lip combo after this one. It's beautiful for me to find like a proper lip gloss, and when I say lip gloss that holds, like that isn't thin, that is actually thick and isn't sticky. If you have any recommendations, please send them by Riva. I'm gonna finish up with some lip oil. I look like I'm appearing to you from above, but angle changed because my jobby stick just broke right here. I can fix it, but I don't want to waste time fighting this thing. So please, I'm here to enjoy myself and just chill and vibe out. So next thing we're gonna do is the other lip combo. Darker lip liner, then lighter lip liner. I'm gonna work with this one and put this in the center. And hopefully it looks the way, yeah, it does. See, are you crazy? Oh my goodness, no please. No please. Okay, maybe I should. I think I'm gonna go with the one in the middle because it's too bright for me. So let's just do that. I'm gonna go in with the darker one. I love the gold. Like, wow, interesting. I know I said I wanted to do bronze, but does it look like bronze? I don't think it's bronze, but it's not bad. I'm lining with the lighter brown because, like I said, I don't want it to be too dark. I just want it to be bronzy when I put on gloss. This is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with the darker one. I love this. I don't know what this is, but I love it. Oh my goodness. For a second, I couldn't see properly and I was wondering why. My mirror has fingerprints on it and I was like, are my eyes not working? It's the fingerprints. They're confusing me. But, oh, no, that's horrible. I'm going to go in with the Essence Gloss Gold Dust. Gold Dust. Gold Dust. Okay, I'm going to go in with Gold Dust in the center. And this is very interesting. Oh, I actually like it. You know what? I like this. Never done this before, but I like it. I love this actually. I just know when it settles, it's going to have. Do you see that? I like this. And lip oil. Do we actually need to put on the lip oil? I'm gonna take this off in a second. Do we actually need to do it? Let's just do it. Oh, I love this. I like this one. Oh. I believe we've played with the bronze enough. Now I want to try the plum colors. I want to try cherry lip combos as opposed to brown or two-tone lip combos. So that's what we're going to do next. Let me just wipe this off and I'll be back. I'm going to go in with some setting powder to set my lips first because I don't know why, it just doesn't stay. Like the lip liner, this one, this cherry plum lip liner, it doesn't stay on my lips, it always comes off. So angle change again. I'm so sorry, but the other angle was making me slightly uncomfortable. I feel like it was too much. Like I know I was trying to give editorial looking at you from above, but I don't know. This can work on some people. This doesn't look good on me. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown over the cherry. Just so it blends well with my skin. Now that I'm done with the light brown, I'm going to go in with the cherry again because the whole point of this lip combo is to look like a plume. Plume. And I'm going to blend this out when I'm done. I don't know if you can see the method I'm using, but I'm taking my liner in. I'm shading it in so we have this pink center right here. And I'm gonna use my cutting board to blend to the center. I'm bringing everything in. Everything is coming in right here. Gonna go in with more plum. What color is this? I do think it's plum. Like a deep rosy plum color. Next, I'm going to go in with this Essence Lip Tint in the shade 01. I'm going to put this in the center. Right there. I'm just going to let this dry because I need to let it dry before I start tapping around. Whilst this is drying, I'm going to go in with more brown at the bottom just for more dimension. This is dry enough. I just don't know where I got this lipstick from. I think I picked it up randomly, and I'm going to put this in the center. See that? Gorgeous. I'll stay this way so you can see what I'm doing. This is how she's looking at the moment. I love this. Now, if you want that shine, that shimmery glitter look, go in with this. And I'm going to go in with this. Look. So good. Then, look at her. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. What do you think of this one? This is definitely different for me. We're gonna try one more lip combo and we'll call it a day. I'm definitely still going to stick to the plum look because I really like the way that looks. But I'm gonna work with 3 products. So the light brown lip liner, the plum cherry lip liner, and the rosy pink lipstick. And we'll see how that turns out. You know the drill already. Line with the brown. This is what the light brown looks like on me. Brown liner is on. I'm gonna go in with the plum, tomato. I'm gonna go in with this shaded inward like this. I'm not drawing an actual line, as you can see. I'm just shading in. And I'm doing that on the other side as well. And I'm going to do this for my bottom lips as well. Just shade into the center, come down, and then shade in. And repeat the process at the top. So essentially what you're creating is a circle for the lipstick to go in. The circle is where the lipstick is going to be concentrated when you put the lipstick on. So that's what we're doing. Just focus on having a pink center. You see? It's already pink, because this is a darker pink and your outline is brown. I'm done with shading and toning. I'm gonna go in with my lipstick in the center, nowhere else but the center, like that. I'm gonna go in with more brown. There we go. And I'm actually going to go in with the Essence Gold Dust right here and here. I promise you, when this settles, it's so pretty. It's right here, dab, and then right here. Not too much. Yeah, like that. See that? Love this. And then we're going to go in with our lip oil. And we're done. That's the last lip combo for today. You don't have to deal with me anymore if you're watching to this point. And we're done. This is how she looks. I love this one. It's so subtle, so pretty. I prefer this one to the first one, for sure, for the plum look. Let's strike a pose. Definitely top 1. No, top 2. Definitely top 2 for me. I really like this one. I was saying to myself that I low-key feel like it looks better without the light. And it does. Like, next time we're filming without the lights because I think this looks so good. But, okay, let me let you go now. Bye-bye.